With hundreds of vehicles to manage, you spend your days between emails, manual assignments, and scattered unfinished invoice checks. This morning, you realize you completely forgot the maintenance for one of your driver's vehicles. The pressure rises. Time is working against you. Fortunately, this time, you can count on Dadycar. In just a few clicks, you access a customizable dashboard. All you have to do is ask your question to the AI agent. In an instant, it analyzes the situation, identifies the maintenance need, and schedules a suitable time slot. Our AI agent analyzes the vehicle's telematics data in real time and selects the ideal garage based on the type of service needed. The driver is immediately informed and hits the road, heading to the workshop. From your desk, you track maintenance costs in real time. When the driver arrives, the garage team is already prepared to welcome them. The vehicle goes straight in for its checkup. Everything is under control. The driver can now meet their client with peace of mind. As for you, what a relief. And beyond that, Dadycar predicts breakdowns before they happen. It automatically optimizes your costs, guides your transition toward a sustainable fleet, integrates your ecosystem with various partners, fuel providers, anti-rental companies, garages, and centralizes all your documents in one place. Finally, gain access to personalized reports on TCO, expenses per vehicle, and even eco-driving performance. Rest assured, you'll see measurable results from the very first month. With Dadycar, boost your connected fleet management with AI and sustainable energy. Request your demo now on our website